Welcome to part 1 of two-part series on the Russian Revolution. The first part is divided into 3 segments. So let's begin. Segment 1: The beginning of a revolution. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Russia was a country on the brink of change. The ruling Romanov dynasty had been in power for centuries, but the country was facing a multitude of problems. The population was growing, the economy was struggling, and there was widespread poverty and inequality. The people were restless. They were tired of being ruled by an autocrat and longed for a better life. They wanted a voice in the running of their country, and they wanted an end to the poverty and inequality that plagued their lives. The spark that ignited the revolution was the Bloody Sunday massacre in January 1905. Workers in the capital, St. Petersburg, gathered to petition the Tsar for better working conditions, but they were met with brutal force by the military. The massacre shocked the nation and sparked a wave of strikes, demonstrations, and uprisings across the country. The 1905 revolution was eventually crushed, but it was a turning point in Russian history. The events of that year showed the world that the people of Russia were no longer willing to tolerate the status quo. They were ready for change, and the stage was set for the revolution to come. Segment 2: The Rise of the Bolsheviks. The Bolshevik Party was founded in 1903 by Vladimir Lenin, and its goal was to overthrow the government and establish a socialist state. Lenin was a charismatic leader and a brilliant tactician, and he quickly gained a following among the working class and the intelligentsia. The Bolsheviks were a small but dedicated group, and they worked tirelessly to build support for their cause. They established a newspaper, Pravda, which became the voice of the party and helped to spread their message. They also organized demonstrations, strikes, and other events to raise awareness about the injustices of the current system and to build support for their cause. The Bolsheviks' message resonated with many Russians, and they quickly gained a following. As the revolution gained momentum, the Bolsheviks found themselves at the forefront of the movement. They had a clear vision for the future and a plan for how to achieve it, and many Russians saw them as the only hope for a better future. Segment 3: The October Revolution. The October Revolution took place in 1917, and it was a decisive moment in the revolution. The Bolsheviks, led by Lenin, seized power and established the first communist government in the world. The Bolsheviks moved quickly to consolidate their power. They disbanded the Constituent Assembly, which was the new government that had been formed after the February Revolution, and they established the Soviet government. They also signed a treaty with Germany, ending Russia's involvement in World War I, which was a popular move among the war-weary population. The October Revolution was a turning point in Russian history. It marked the end of the old order and the beginning of a new era. The Bolsheviks faced opposition from many quarters, including other political groups, the military, and the royal family, but they were able to overcome these challenges and establish their government. The October Revolution set the tone for the rest of the revolution and established the Bolsheviks as the dominant force in Russian politics. It marked the beginning of a new era and the establishment of the Soviet Union, which would go on to have a profound impact on the world. This is all for first part. See you in second.